In today's video, I'll teach you how to schedule an email in Android. So first of all, open the Gmail application. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Initially, you'll be to this kind of interface. At bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the compose option. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to compose the email. First of all, at the recipient over here, likewise, what you have to do is enter the subject. Tap on the field of subject. After you do that, enter the subject over here. Now, likewise, you'll be able to compose the email. What you have to do is enter your email over here. You can also add the photos and attach the files if you want. Now once you do that, tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on this option schedule send. Now you'll be able to pick the date and time over here. You can simply select from the options, or you can also tap on this option pick date and time that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is pick the date and time over here. First of all, select the date. Tap on the field of date. After you do that, tap on the date of your choice and tap on this option OK. Likewise, also select the time. For that, tap on the field of time. After you do that, you'll be able to select the hour and minute over here. First of all, select the hour. Likewise, you'll also be able to select the minutes. Now tap on this option OK. Now once you do that, tap on this option schedule send that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here the email has been scheduled. Now in that particular date and time, the email will be sent. So that is how you schedule an email in Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.